Hello, my name is Emanuel Casillas. El title es Contable and Incontable Nouns. There are five apples in the folk bowl. My mother prepared three sandwiches for lunch. I need 4 eggs to make this cookie. We ordered two the pizzas for dinner the last night. She bought tail cookies for the party. We are actually carrots in the refrigerator. About seeing banana at the supermarket. We had the potato to make a big French fries. I used the tomato for the salts. They are sap orange in the fruit breast. Incontable nouns. There are some rice left in the bowl. I need a light water to make coffee. We have a lot of milk in the refrigerator. Would you like some soup for lunch? We are in much read for read about like cheese my pasta. This rice needs a lot of sugar. Drink some coffee every morning and I like honey. I send you tea. They, there is some yogurt in the fridge. Exam wins quantifiers. I have some apple in the fridge. There is some bread on the table. Would you like some coffee with your dessert? Do you have an orange left? I do you have any milk for the cereal? They are and cookies in the jar. We are a lot bananas in the basket. She drinks a lot of water every day. Why about a lot cheese for the party? A net of potatoes for the soup. We are a feed eggs in the refrigerator. She are a few carrots are in a snack. Would you pass me like sugar for a me tea and need a light yogurt for the recipe? They are like horny fed in the heart. It is finished.